The name of this tutorial says it all. It's for those who are new to iMovie, who want to quickly get started and make a movie without any fluff. The tutorial will take 2 minutes from when we start, but beforehand I need to explain. To stay within the 2-minute frame, this tutorial will move from one step to the next very quickly. The tutorial will use transitions, titles, it will add music, and it will also add photos. There's a follow-up tutorial that will take a slower pace and explains the steps and the reasons why you would use them. The second tutorial will also use the trailers feature. I'm Bruce Macbryde and I can provide one-on-one tutorials over the internet. Just click on the link in the description below, training.finalcutpro.com. First of all, launch iMovie or double-click in the dock. Go to the File, Open Library, New, give it a name and remember where you saved it. Go to My Media. iMovie will create a new subfolder. This is called an event, today's date. Drag your clips into that event or click the downward import arrow. The clips will appear in the media section. Go to a clip in the media section, hover up across it to scroll through the footage. You'll see the images in the right-hand viewer, and this allows you to select just a portion of the clip. Click on the top left clip and it will be highlighted in yellow. Press the plus sign. The clip appears on the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Now lasso, that's click and drag around the other clips you want and press the plus sign. Click in the timeline where you want to start playing, press the spacebar. You'll see the images in the viewer. Press the spacebar to pause the clip. Click the clip in the timeline, it will be enclosed in yellow. Click and hold the left side of the yellow line, double arrows appear. Drag to the right, the clip will shorten from the beginning. Release the mouse. Click and hold the right side of the yellow line. Double arrows appear again. Drag left, the clip will shorten from the end. You can use this process to shorten and lengthen both sides of the clip. You can drag clips to reposition them in the timeline, and the timeline will automatically adjust so that there are no gaps. This is called the magnetic timeline. You can add transitions between clips. Click on Transitions tab, click on the transition you want, and drag it into the timeline and place it between two clips. Transitions only go between clips. You can remove the transition, or in fact any clip, by clicking on it. Yellow outline appears. Press the delete key on the keyboard. Now let's Command Z and that will undo that last action. You can also add text. Click on the Titles tab, click a title style, hover the mouse to see the action appear in the right-hand viewer. Drag the title above the clip or between two clips if you don't want a clip to be seen through the title. Type in your words and use the editing controls in the Titles editor to adjust those titles. The length of the title can be adjusted like any clip. Add audio from your music library, that's iTunes. Click the Audio tab, drag below the other clips, position and adjust as you do any clip. You can add photos from the iPhoto library. Click Photos in the sidebar list, select all photos or albums, drag into the timeline and adjust as you do other clips. Now to export the finished movie, go to the File menu, select Share, select File, name your movie, choose a location to save it. Were you watching the clock? Was that 2 minutes? I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell. There are new iMovie tutorials every Friday.